not going to accept is not affordable, because I know we're buying Starbucks. I know how much Starbucks costs. Yep. I know how much Starbucks costs. So we're getting our hair done, our nails done, still not investing in ourselves. Yeah, we still sitting on our commission. We still got all our equipment, all our toner, all our everything, and we're not doing anything with it. That's the part that breaks my heart. Because if you actually do the work, you work the program will work for you. So you have a couple options you can join. The $27, and if people are like, "Is it really $27?" Yes, it is. It's $27 for a program. The all-inclusive program is $47. Okay, and you can join either one, and we meet every week together. There is a session tonight. Actually, tonight is Google Business Profile Reviews. So we know how important that Google page is. So once again, we are doing Google Profile Reviews tonight. Say that. Oh, thank you, Sheila. Thank you. Welcome, everybody. I see we got some new people. If you have some comments or questions while I'm here live, go ahead and drop it. I will be doing these daily check-ins. Typically, I'll be doing them from the car now. People love those, and I love doing it. That way I can do 2 for 1. I can actually, because I'm actually out there in these streets, I can go ahead and do my notarizations and stuff and still come and talk to you guys in between. And then I can have some downtime for myself, right? Not that much, because I'm always doing something. Jeff is like, will you put that phone down? But the phone is my business. I often wonder, what in the heck did we do before we had cell phones? Because I am glued to my phone. Matter of fact, I'm even now starting to get that. I don't know if you saw it. It's been at least 4 years ago now, because I lost my mom 3 years. So it's been at least 4 now, because I didn't go to the doctor because I was typing so much at one point, answering comments and stuff all the time. Ingrid says, "Hey, Kim Free. Hey, honey. How are you? Summer 24. Loving it. I just passed my Ohio Notary exam. Knowing how to get started on Google would be great." So, Summer 24, may I ask you a question, and don't be offended, okay? Are you even ready to be found on Google? Have you had any kind of training? Do you know how to properly notarize? If I said, "Hey, can you go over here to this nursing home? Can you do it from beginning to end, the intake form and price it and all of that?" So answer that question for me. I'm getting ready to tell you how to get started on Google. But I want to know, are you even ready to be found on Google, okay? Because that's what happens. A lot of people get their commissions and they just get on Google or start telling people, "I'm a notary." Pump the brakes. You're not ready yet. So tell me, are you really ready? Let me know. No training. I'm a beginner. So, honey, I really wouldn't even, you can start building out your Google page. I'm going to tell you how to do it. But I really recommend, let's get some training, okay? And you can look at our courses and the mentorship program and see what works best for you. There is a self-paced option. Those are 60% off. Coupon code is WIN2024. If you were going to pick one course, it would be Notarize Like a Pro. Okay? 60% off. Or you can do the whole gamut of everything and join mentorship. To get started on Google, though, you just go to google.com, I think, /business. If I'm not mistaken. And we do actually have a whole Google course to tell you how to maximize it, SEO, search engine optimization, and all of that. But to get started, you just really put some information out there, your basic info, put some pictures out there. I always say, do your Google page look like a dry piece of toast, or does it look like an edible arrangement? Okay, see how colorful I am? Everybody might not like all these colors, but you ain't gonna forget who you saw today, right? You'll be like, "That girl had on that bright orange, some pink lips." Right? You ain't gonna forget all this, right? That's how you want to be with your Google page. That's the main thing. Get reviews on your Google page. Make sure you provide excellent customer service. And the main thing, Summer 24, is to make sure you know what you're doing. Okay? Please promise me you will not stamp a paper just because they gave you that commission. Please. That's like driving a car you don't know how to drive. Okay? Please, please, please. All right. Samuel, hey, how are you? How often do you do a courier? I don't really offer courier service separately. It's on my page. I will do it, but I don't really get a lot of requests for courier. My courier comes typically in the role of me already having a signing, and then somebody will say, "Hey, can you take this to UPS for me? Can you take this here for me?" So I do offer courier service, but I've never really had anyone. Well, let me take that back. I've had like 2 or 3. somebody called me and say, hey, can you print these documents and take them somewhere? So I have had it happen, but not often. Not often. But don't be surprised though, as notaries, they call us for everything. Okay. They call us for everything. So I'm telling you that right now, I could get off this live and somebody asked me, hey, can you take this package over here? And I will go pick it up and take it for them. Okay. If you're going to pay me. Summer says she's learning. Thanks for your info and knowledge. You're so welcome. S. Thompson says, signing up now, can't sign up for your email list. Oh, what happens when you sign up for the email list? Let me know. Because I just put that on the website. So let me know what happens when you click that signing up for email. She said, promise. Okay, we'll look for you. We'll look for you. And it's no obligation for anyone. You don't have to take my training today. A lot of people do double back though, because they go and take other stuff. It gives an error message. See, if I wasn't live today, I would not know that. Thank you, S. Thompson. Thank you, S. Thompson. I appreciate it. I love when you guys tell me what's up, because I would not have known that. So when I get off this live, I got to go find out why are we getting an error message? Because other people may want to sign up for emails and text messages and they can't. So that's a problem. Actually, I just got a feature with GoDaddy where you can sign up for text messages. So I'm sure it's something wonky in the back of the system there. So I'm going to go look at that. Oh, she said, I definitely want to sign up. Yeah, come on, join us when you get ready to. I just always say no pressure though, because when you do come with us, I want you to be ready to rock and roll. I really do. I don't want you just coming to be a part of a social club. I want you making money. Our people are making money. We got a whole success video that we did. A whole success session that we did the 1st of October. We just haven't put it out because we have so much stuff going on. But people are doing field inspections. We got one person, he did 30 field inspections. And of course I had to ask him. I was like, so how did you learn? I told y'all this a couple of days ago or last week. I don't remember. My days running together. I said, so how did you find out about field inspections? He was like, from you. I was like, yeah, it's music to my ears. I said, yeah, I wanted you to say it was from me. So he did. He found out about it from me. We include a list of popular companies you should sign up with. So even if you don't want to get in mentorship, get the field inspection course. You don't have to be a notary to even do field inspections. I just think it helps if, because you tend to know how to work with papers better and stuff. I don't know. I just think it's just a nice addition to your notary business, but you don't have to be a notary. So if you want to do field inspections, get a little side income, check out the course. Field inspections like a pro. And it is coupon code WIN 2025. And average field inspection job is going to be, it just depends. Some of them as low as $8. But once you start doing one or two, you could typically get that $50 mark. So for me, I'm like $50 times 30. That's $1,500 a month. Could you do something extra with $1,500 a month? Bet you could. Bet you could. Okay, as Thompson says, today I'm so ready. Okay, we'll be looking for you. I see we got quite a few new people that joined us. If you have any questions while I am here live, please drop them in the comments here. Again, you can find out about the mentorship program at notaryeducators.com. We do have the #1 journal also for all states. I would challenge California to double check it, because California is always a little bit different. I got a lot of California students. California is always a little bit different. But other than that, the journal should be state compliant, because most states don't even require a journal. Let's be clear. So anyway, I've included in that journal a sample oath for you, your sample screening questions. I went ahead and included that for you. So it covers everything you need. You can put your field inspections in there, your ink fingerprinting, everything you need. You can write in that one journal. Because I had 2 at one time, but now everything you can put in that one journal. It's been redesigned, so that's nice. Anything else we have? Any other questions, comments? Jeffrey is a little tired today. He had a lot of errands to run, so. And then, like I said, I've been working from home, just kind of cleaning up stuff from other jobs, so it's all good. What other questions do we have? Like I said, I see we got quite a few people popped on. Don't be shy. This is your time to get your questions answered. Hey, Alicia, how are you? Alicia said, what you said, Alicia? Alicia's in mentorship. She says, hey, Kimmi, I made $350 yesterday, 2 sellers package, a buyer's package, and a seller's package. Alicia, yes. Alicia, are you scared of YouTube? Because I would like you to come on, girl, tell your story.